Okay, hi there, Scratchers, and today we're going to talk about how to set your game up so that everything works when you want it to. And so the important thing is this. You're going to broadcast messages, and that's the easiest way to do whatever you need to do. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to say, it's all going to start when the green flag is clicked. That's the first thing that every player does. They click the green flag. So we're going to make sure we have everything set up the way we want it. So we're going to go to the stage, and we're going to say, now the stage, we want, let's see what backdrops, oh, let's just get a backdrop. Whoops, wrong one. Let's get it from the library, okay? And we want the Atom Playground, that's there. And we're also gonna get another one, which is the baseball field. And we're gonna have them both ready to use whenever it's time. Okay, so we're gonna go back to the scripts right up here. And we said when the green flag is clicked that we're going to broadcast a message because we want to tell all of our actors and the backdrop what to do. And we'll call the message, which you can do right here by clicking on that new message, and we're just going to call it setup. All right? So we're going to broadcast setup. So what do we want? I have decided that I want the cat there, and I want the different background. I want the background with the playground. So I'm going to say when I receive setup, I'm going to, switch my backdrop to the Atom Playground. And I'm going to tell Scratchy here that I want him to hide. Get rid of these. Okay. So I'm going to say when for Scratch, he's the one I've got here. When I receive setup, I'm going to tell you hide. It's under looks. Okay. So let's see what happens. I'm on the baseball diamond. When I click the green flag, it should switch to the Atom Playground and the cat should disappear. Boom. Okay, it happened. And that's how you broadcast and receive messages. The tricky thing is you need to go kind of walk the line. I'm going to do the stage first. What I want to have happen when I do setup. What I want to have happen when I do game over. What I want to have happen when I do level 2. Whatever. Then I'm going to go to each sprite individually and say, when I receive game over, setup, level 1, whatever, do this. Okay? And that's how it works. If you have a score, you can say, okay, when this happens, I'm going to broadcast a message and I want the score to change. So that is basically how it works. That's a very basic thing. So the more backdrops, sprites you add, the more complex it gets, but it's not unmanageable. Mostly everybody here has about 3 or 4 sprites. So that's all you have to worry about, okay? So that is how you set up broadcasting and receiving messages. Boom.